In 2001, our organisation, Homes Glen TAFE, decided that we needed to practice what we were preaching. So we took on 8 young trainees as a start in a horticultural program to build them up into the system of working within the Institute as a trainee. So they work for the Institute, but they also get their traineeship through them and they're studying the theory through that. When we started having young people in, we thought, hello, how are we going to go? You've got students as well as the trainees going through the program. But in the past 6 years, there's been 60 trainees through. Each one is different, has their ups and downs as it comes. But the rewards is just that freshness, creating the balance. There's that energy and excitement. And I think just bringing young people into the workplace, so often in institutes we've got that 40, 50-year-old group, it just puts that perspective in. There's new excitement, there's new energy, life's interesting, and I just think it brings out the best in everyone within the workplace to get that balance. The challenges are, these are young people that are going into an adulthood, but you're still getting the balance of between I'm an adult, but I like to go out partying, what is the appropriate behaviour and dress for work, how do I get there on time even though I'm exhausted. And you've got to go back to the basics of make sure they have a good breakfast, make sure they are getting their sleep, and the other thing is that having time to talk over relationships, often that's one thing too. Just like in everyone else's life, it's the same in a traineeship and apprenticeship, but often the relationship side sort of has a little bit of a balance that needs to be brought into. The advice that I'd give employers are, yes, that there definitely are benefits, and it's a matter of using the right strategies to enlist the young people, to provide the mentoring and support, because they will succeed. And you will see the growth that gives other staff members excitement and regeneration to get back in there and work. But it needs the mentoring, the support. I think it brings out the best in some of the older staff members, that they can take responsibility and think beyond their role model of their job and give to someone else and see someone else grow. And just that change, it is worthwhile, I'd be saying. There are values in it to see someone who initially comes in with their head down, quiet, to grow, to blossom and to succeed. It makes it worthwhile for everyone. So it's the training part, the employers and the family and the trainee that is the team, and you're in it together and you've got to work and pull together. The advice I'd give to a parent is that we're all part of a team. Supporting, encouraging, suggesting going to bed a bit earlier in the right way, but it's being a team. The advice I'd give young people that want to get traineeships in the community services and health industry would be to investigate, do your research and practical experience as much as anything. If you need to go and have a voluntary day there, do it, or build up some sort of relationship, because you want to know what you're getting into. Have a realistic understanding of what the job's about. Not just the title sounds good as a youth worker or a disability worker, that you've experienced it, you get the environment, the atmosphere, and you've got the passion. That's where you want to be. Know what you're doing, do the research and investigate as much as possible. Talk to other people and find out about all the different outcomes. Where can this job lead you as well?